Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem game code on Fortnite. To redeem your game code on Fortnite, you'll need to first open up your Epic Games website or the Epic Games launcher. Start off by opening up the Epic Games launcher or simply open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the search bar at the top and type in www.epicgames.com/store. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and pick one of the sign in options from the display. I'm gonna sign in with Epic Games account. Once you click on the option, enter your email address associated with Epic Games and the password for the account. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot your password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in your credentials, click login now and you'll be logged into your Epic Games account. Go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to your name. Click the redeem code button in the pop-up. Enter your Fortnite game code in the text box. Make sure to type in the code exactly as it appears, and after you are done, click on the redeem button. After you click the redeem button and if everything's okay, you should receive a message that will tell you the code was successfully redeemed. And that's how you can easily redeem Fortnite gift code via Epic Games website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again on the next video. Goodbye till then.